Hi, this is Dr. Tranchitella for Sunrise Functional Medicine. You know, autoimmune disorders have been on the rise for decades now, and it makes you wonder what are some of the factors that contribute to triggering certain autoimmune disorders in people who are predisposed. And I think it's important for us to look at certain environmental factors because we know that that can play a role, but we also have to look at aspects of our own health that may be part of that trigger. There can also be genetic components. We may have genetic predispositions which, in the presence of the right environmental trigger or infection or a poor diet and lifestyle, can certainly contribute to the development of an autoimmune disorder. So in doing a more naturopathic or functional medicine analysis of an autoimmune disorder, the diagnosis itself is not that important. The evaluation is very important. We want to look at what is going on in the gut, if there are potential pathogens that are triggering an immune reaction that is, instead of attacking an infection, is causing autoantibodies against specific tissues in the body. We also want to look and see if there's any issues with increased gut permeability, or if there are food sensitivities that are contributing to a heightened immune response. And if that is the case, we have to address those things as we find them. We also want to look at personal diet and lifestyle habits that may not be as healthy as they should be. We all can tend to break down under stress, but stress isn't just mental, emotional. It can be diet related, it can be sleep related, it can be related to certain stressors that we're encountering on a daily basis that are just causing us to break down under that kind of pressure. So when evaluating a patient for an autoimmune disorder and how we go about treating it, we have to look for the potential causes, where the imbalances have started, and work at that level and build the person back up, and in the hopes to bring their immune system back into balance so that they no longer present with an autoimmune condition. So it's a very fundamental approach in both naturopathic medicine and functional medicine, but it's a whole body approach, and we are often much more effective at resolving the issue by taking this approach rather than just giving a medication to deal with inflammation or the symptoms of autoimmune disease. So a whole body approach is going to be much more effective and result in a much healthier patient in the end.